Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a 3-step bridal lip care routine that will help you get beautiful, smooth, soft pink lips. The base for this routine is coffee. Coffee is a wonderful and gentle exfoliant. It helps lighten dark lips and it also helps plump up the lips. I have used ground coffee in 2 of these recipes and instant coffee in 1. Use them as mentioned accordingly to get the best results. This routine starts with an exfoliating lip scrub that exfoliates the lips very gently. The second step is a coffee lip massage gel that helps lighten dark lips. The final step is a lip serum that will help condition and hydrate the lips. Start this routine as early as possible before your wedding day to get the best results. Take 2 teaspoons of ground coffee in a bowl. Add in a teaspoon of coconut oil to it. Finally, add in enough raw honey to mix. Now mix well. To use, take the scrub and apply it on the lips and start massaging gently for a few seconds and then wash it off. Make sure to massage gently, else it will irritate the lips. And for this scrub, use only plain ground coffee and not instant coffee. Instant coffee will melt into the scrub and it won't help exfoliate the lips. You can use the scrub weekly twice and it can be stored at room temperature for a few weeks if stored away from moisture. Take half teaspoon of instant coffee in a bowl. Use only instant coffee for this gel. Now add in a tablespoon of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume to it. Now mix well to get a smooth gel. At first, the mixture will be very lumpy, but as you keep mixing, it will form a smooth gel. You can use either store-bought aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume or fresh aloe vera gel for this recipe. But if you use fresh aloe vera gel, the mixture will be a bit runny. To use, take little bit of this gel, apply on the lips, massage for a few seconds and then wash it off. If you use store-bought gel for this recipe, it will last well at room temperature for a few weeks. But if you use fresh aloe vera gel, you will have to immediately store it in the fridge. The consistency of this gel will depend upon the type of aloe vera gel that you are using. Use this massage gel every day for best results. Take 2 teaspoons of ground coffee in a bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of any unrefined oil of your choice. Good choices are extra virgin olive oil, virgin coconut oil and sweet almond oil. Finally, add in a teaspoon of pure vanilla. Let this mixture steep for a few hours. I like to steep at least for 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, strain out the serum using a pure white cotton cloth. Using a cotton cloth to strain will ensure that the serum is smooth. To use, apply this lip serum every day night before going to bed and leave it on overnight. This serum smells amazing because of the vanilla, but try to use only pure vanilla and not synthetic vanilla essence that we normally get in the departmental stores. All the 3 ingredients added in the serum will help hydrate and condition even very chapped lips quickly. To store, take the serum in a glass bottle and keep it away from moisture. If stored properly, it will last well for months together at room temperature. Since all these 3 recipes have a long shelf life at room temperature, they also make great gifts. Use the scrub weekly twice and the lip gel and the lip serum daily. Trust me, these treatments will rival all expensive store-bought lip care treatments. Do give them a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.